Let's learn how to remove and replace the ReboundReduce stability bar on the Poplar and Poplar S convertible car seats. To install the ReboundReduce stability bar, open the Click-Tite, lift the front cover flap, then squeeze the release buttons. Insert the stability bar into the two openings at the front of the seat. Ensure the stability bar release buttons are completely engaged. Pull the stability bar away from the seat on both sides to confirm connection. Close the Click-Tite. To remove the ReboundReduce stability bar, open the Click-Tite, lift the front cover flap, then squeeze the release buttons. Push the stability bar release button and pull the stability bar away on one side. Repeat on the other side. Close the Click-Tite.